Video time or what? Huh? Hey, look how clean this car is. Damn, boy. Maybe later today we can wash our cars. Oh my God, look. It's like black. Oh crap. Stay humble. Boy, let's go do this. Look at that.
Oh, look.
Do you have your little shirt?
No, I don't have.
Oh,
Look, I'm around.
So we're gonna go get the bumper for my car. It's in my house and it doesn't fit in my car.
Look at my lock screen.
Look at that. Ooh, fuck you.
Well, we took from the photo shoot. I took some from the.
Bro, yeah, I saw that. Like you took the picture, but let's go get that bumper and see how it is. Hopefully, huh?
Hopefully it fits.
Fuck it, we'll make it fit. You know, we're gonna have to tie it somewhere or something. You know.
Yeah.
Bye.
Figure it out. Let me show y'all what we're doing. New bumper. Let me move it over here. New bumper on the Rx-8, and this one is the, let me see, duraflex. So is that what do you call this? Fiberglass. And this one's the one it is. The velocity front bumper cover. And he also ordered yeah, like the fog light LEDs, but they still haven't gotten here. So
Crazy.
yeah, this guy here.
There's not even a tracking number yet.
Yeah, like that's crazy. This guy here way before the fog light. So I have to. Alright, so we took that little cover off. So what, you just popped these out, or did you break it, or what?
No, they broke that guy. So I got a guy that died on my car. I'm not gonna say how much. You can look at it from the video. But he like messed up my shit so bad. Like, so whenever he was taking it off the dyno, he like bent my thing.
He bent your thing. Uh-oh.
There we go. This thing out.
You just have to take these off.
Yeah, and there's clips here, and there's some back here that we gotta also take off. No,
there's some clips.
Yeah, some clips, so we have to take that out. So you don't say, huh? All we gotta do is take. Oh, they're all off. My clips are all down. Yeah, so I guess they fell or something, but look, they're all off. Car's being ready to come out. But I think there's something down here holding it. Oh no. Huh?
There's
Something?
Oh no, I think it's the light.
Oh.
Did you just pull it out already?
Yeah. Oh look. So here, what you want to do is just pop this thing out. And this one. Pop this one out a little more.
Ouch, not like that though. Don't do what he's doing.
Why?
Because boy, they're like damaging your car.
My bumper? No,
yeah, but this.
True. There you go. There you go. This one?
There's something holding this light, but you don't need to take the light off, right?
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Sort of. You take the lights off now, huh? Huh? Is there anything? Oh, you got tools now. I forgot. Damn, boy. But fucking tools. Hey, boys. Y'all hiring? Get your and once you take the bumper out, we just gotta leave it like that. It's gotta be a drift build. Get it out. Yeah, better go.
You're gonna leave like this little tiny screw too.
Bro. Yeah.
There we go. The other one like was broken from the clip.
Yeah.
Well, wherever the screw went, that
damn.
was broken. Yeah, but it
So
does come together. Here.
Two. So there was a screwdriver, a little screw behind the thing. This thing. So where's the screw?
Oh, put it away. The other side didn't have it, right? It was broken?
Yeah. Oh, I think no. Yeah. Broken.
Only this one.
Something holding this. Oh, in the bottom. There's some in the bottom. So now we gotta go to the bottom and take the ones from down there. So far, nothing too hard. Just good, because we always come up through something, but we haven't put the other one. That's the hard part.
Yeah, that's gonna be
the back.
Especially because it's fiberglass, and you know fiberglass how it likes to be.
Gotta make it fit to the exact Rx-8. Oh, it feels good out here, bro. You think it's cold or good? Some soccer weather.
Right.
Some Madden whoop ass. Ooh, shit. I got them all off here. So we took, see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 screws under the car. Get that out. So.
Alright, so for the fog lights, you just have to press this clip right here.
Yeah, take it off.
Press it and just pull it and it's all off.
And
there was these screws down here at the bottom. You can't take it off. These two. Yeah. But
they were in this side, but this
that
side
they're broken, so that's why
broken, so.
that side was easy to take off.
But, damn, let me see that? Let me see that bad boy? Damn.
So there's that old bumper, and look.
Yeah, shit. Like that, just like that. Drift build, boy.
Right, just go right there.
Right there. Get a little angle. It's the angle right here.
Whenever they painted, there's like some little parts, you know how Duraflex like to send their thing. Look, this right here. Y'all can kind of see it on the camera. You can see it more in person. You're probably gonna have to sand that. There's just little parts right here too. Well, yeah, that's how it looks. Let me see, pick it up. Pick it up so I can see. Has like a little lip to it, kind of. Yeah. And then maybe whenever, if we do get to put it on in a little bit, Ramon wants these black, so we're probably gonna paint them. Right. So we're gonna have to
screw a bunch of shit.
Yep.
Let's get those first.
But the thing is that right here it doesn't have it to screw in. Oh, so you have to take the foam off because it wouldn't fit in properly. You just have to fit this. Oh yeah, also that, check. Well, with the light and the thing. This hood is so light. This hood is so light. ¿Mueve eso? Yeah. Is that closed? No, I don't think it's down there. But... Oh wait, we still have things under there.
It looks good. Yeah, you like it overlap. Yeah, that's good.
Hopefully. You just have to paint it and change it.
Hmm?
You just have to paint it big time.
Yeah.
Yeah, bad, like bad. You need to paint it.
Right?
Yeah. And yeah, we need to paint these black.
Recording, bitch.
Alright, so for this one, the one that came on the other bumper or whatever.
Yeah.
Which was, how was it?
Like that.
It has like 2 bolts over here or whatever, like one on each side. But then it has a a drill bit in here. So all I did was just what is it called? No, a rivet or whatever it's called. And so all I was, oh look, I literally put it in there. Like one of those rivets that hold the bumpers
so
and
you
stuff.
can see it there.
And we don't have the tool, so we just drilled them in and broke them loose. So just in case y'all never,
a little life hack.
Yeah, y'all aren't able to take those out, just drill them in and drill them.
Let's put this shit here.
But now we're gonna have to drill holes on the bumper though. But alright, so sorry we didn't show any, but man, we were struggling with some of these things. So we had to
tuck this in.
Get the other one from the bumper, you know, break the rivet things from the other one with a drill. We just need to drill a hole right here so we can grab it to this one, to the little mount. Yeah, just that one's gonna be loose. Just don't even touch it, leave it like that. And then so this side's the hardest on like the sides, how you want it to fit. But I still have to drill right here. You can't really drill through this because it's like all plastic, so it's hard. So for now I just put these right here, which I don't like because, you know, these can break really easy. But he's gonna order the, what do you call the ones I have on my car, the quick release, the bumper quick release, and that will fit better. Just grab them by right here, this little corner right here, and here, put it tight, and then it should pretty much close it. And you know where's the other side around? Fiberglass is, and then it can break easily. Like we're putting it over here, and somehow it got stuck on the headlight, and it popped over here, and look how it broke it. Like it broke like a little piece on there. So you know, watch out for that. But just the little things we need right now, right?
I mean, this like gap.
Oh yeah, and like, you know, fiberglass also. There's this little gap right here. Then this side is good. Just a little gap right there, but nothing too big. So just that little gap right there.
All around.
Looking pretty good. Just
I give it a 8.
8.
8.
So we're just gonna try and bolt everything up, and then it should be done. Right.
I gotta go to work in an hour, so we got 1 hour.
Dang, we need to hurry up. Alright, so down, we put the car down. We just did some small little things we had to bolt on and everything, but there it is. Oh, okay.
Okay, for the Rx-8.
So, hey, it looks pretty good.
For the wing, right?
Yeah, looks like meaner now.
Huh?
It looks meaner now or something. But you can't barely see it on. But like, yeah, he just needs to go get it painted. And I think, and then we're probably gonna paint this black too later on. It's just so easy to.
Poor smiley face, look. Look.
Yeah, the smiley face over here.
And everything.
So just get it painted, and it'll look way better now after it's painted. And this is what, the velocity bumper? What was it called? There's something on here. The velocity, yeah, from bumper cover. 2004, 2008. No,
The only
Rx-8.
thing that there is no velocity with the car.
So yeah.
Pretty cool. We actually did this shit.
Yeah, it didn't. Always something comes out. We did it like nothing. Oh yeah, just make sure y'all take the styrofoam off. The foam, because it doesn't go in right, and this, where the lights go. So there's like behind there on the other bumper. Make sure y'all take this off, because if not, y'all won't be able to fit this in good, because they're covering. It just had one screw right there in the inside. It was like this. The screw it's right there, and then so just take it off.
It's stable.
Yeah, it's pretty hard. Look, doesn't move at all. Yeah, it's pretty good. Just this side has a little gap, but you can't see it from far. Just left the car at the paint shop. We'll see. Dropping it off.
See it back at the front.
if you can't say anything.